Now we are supposed to, I think, go for lunch somewhere, or a short jaunt around town, and then to the airport.
We are headed out to a scenic lookout where you can see the glacier, the Mendenhall Glacier from. It's about a 15-minute drive from where we currently are here at the docks of downtown. Out there, and then we'll board you all back on the bus and get you to your meal at the salmon bake.
Cable car terminal. Seas Crab Shack. Carnival.
And their story goes as follows now. Chief Cowie and the Tlingit, the natives of this area, they did not live here in this downtown area. They originally lived in an area about 20 miles north of here in Hawk Bay.
It's a Juneau airport out there. We have very poor views of the Mendenhall Glacier today, because all that poor visibility is from the forest fires. It would have been great to walk across the meadow to the glacier. I'm not sure if that's a skunk cabbage that the bus driver was referring to, but if it is, the bears love it because it acts like a laxative on them, which is very important after they come out of hibernation.
And a bald eagle's nest can become rather large. The largest recorded bald eagle's nest weighed 2 tons.
Salmon Lake, Old Creek.
All your seats, by the way, are on the left. They're reserved off for you guys, so you can see them over there on the left. You'll see them when you... First thing you see is clam chowder. You can grab some clam chowder if you want. And then you'll see the main buffet line in the middle that has chicken and rice and beans and cornbread and salads, stuff like that. And then when you're ready, you can line up by the big smoking pit with fire and smoke and a fish on top. That's where you get your salmon. They'll ring a little bell when it's ready. You line up, get your smoked salmon. When you're ready for dessert, you can get some wild Alaskan blueberry cake. That'll be over here by the water. There's cold water, cold lemonade, coffee, stuff to make tea, hot apple cider, and hot chocolate as well.
Let's have salmon right from the source, Alaskan salmon. I took a video of one of those when we were sailing into Juneau. This is where the salmon bake is at, the former property of a gold mining complex. I concoct a pretty darn good salmon mold from pink salmon back home. I don't see any spawning salmon. What's left of the old mining equipment? And what's left of the old mine? Mining actually only took place until the 1940s, when there was not enough gold left to find. So people moved up into the Yukon. Lots of bearberry bushes around here. Bearberries. For gold, right. That'll be the day, right?
I told her we was going to hit it, but do it.
Now watch what she does. It's just a little water. Help. And I don't have the patience for gold panning. Got an eagle right there, but he's hiding his little white head. These are wild Alaskan blueberries. The blueberry cake.